Oh.
What is this? This guy has like a meat grinder.
That was all Diana.
What? I almost just got ground up.
I'm sorry for what I'm about to do, Jerma.
Why? He's not mean.
He is mean.
How do I turn on the meat grinder? It's just on. Alright, let's see if I want to grind somebody up.
Hold on.
Yeah, you get a good view of this, because I'm going to turn somebody. I'm going to turn somebody into like hamburger meat.
There's a guy dead ahead, 12 o'clock. Just drive forward. Left. Straight ahead.
Oh yeah, let's see. He's kind of just standing there. Can we stealth kill him with the meat grinder? Why? When you get out of the way.